Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Elena Pratiwi and I am a pharmacy student. Today, I would like to explain the drug interaction of glimepiride, an oral medication commonly used in the treatment of type 2 diabetes mellitus. Glimepirides belong to the sulfonylurea class, and it works by stimulating insulin release from pancreatic beta cell and increasing insulin sensitivity in peripheral tissue. However, glimepiride can interact with other medication, food, and herbal supplements. This interaction can either enhance or reduce its effects and may increase the risk of adverse effects such as hypoglycemia. First, let's discuss synergistic interaction. This occurs when glimepiride is used together with other drugs that have a similar blood sugar lowering effects. Examples include insulin, metformin, ACE inhibitors like enalapril, and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and such as aspirin. Using glimepiride with insulin or metformin increases the risk of excess blood sugar lowering or hypoglycemia. ACE inhibitors can also improve insulin sensitivity, making glimepiride's effect stronger. Meanwhile, aspirin and other NSAID may increase glimepiride levels in the blood by competing for protein binding sites, thereby enhancing its hypoglycemic effects. Next are antagonistic interaction, where other drugs reduce glimepiride effectiveness. These include corticosteroids such as prednisone, thiazide diuretics like hydrochlorothiazide, beta-2 agonists such as salbutamol, and hormones like estrogen or oral contraceptives. These drugs tend to raise blood sugar levels or reduce insulin sensitivity, which counteracts the effects of glimepiride. If a patient is taking any of this medication, close monitoring or dose adjustment of glimepiride may be necessary. Food interaction are also important to consider. Glimepiride is best taken before the first major meal of the day to reduce the risk of hypoglycemia. Although food may slightly delay its absorption, it does not significantly affect its overall effectiveness. However, alcohol consumption should be avoided. Alcohol can unpredictably enhance or reduce glimepiride effects and may also cause a disulfiram-like reaction, which include nausea, vomiting, and rapid heartbeat. Lastly, glimepiride may interact with herbal supplements. Certain herbal products like ginseng, fenugreek, and bitter melon have blood sugar lowering effects and may enhance glimepiride's activity, increasing the risk of hypoglycemia. On the other hand, herbs such as genwort can induce liver enzymes that speed up glimepiride metabolism, potentially reducing its effectiveness. In addition to drug interaction, it is also important to understand the potential toxicity of glimepiride. Overdose or inappropriate use of glimepiride can lead to severe hypoglycemia, which is the most common and dangerous toxic effects. In conclusion, although glimepiride is an effective medication for managing type 2 diabetes, it must be used carefully due to potential interaction with other drugs, food, and herbal products. Thank you for listening to my explanation. I hope it was useful. Wassalamualaikum.